In this video, we're going to show you how to install the mirror cap on your Toyota Camry located on the exterior mirrors. In order to remove our mirror cap itself, we're going to start by folding the mirror manually. We're going to use our flat pocket screwdriver and get up underneath the back edge here and gently pry out, getting behind the cover itself. Once we get behind it, we're going to go ahead and get our plastic trim tool in here and start to work our way around the perimeter, releasing the tabs. If you want, you can fold it back to stabilize it. Continue around the perimeter, releasing the lock tabs. Release the tabs. Now on the inside of the mirror cap itself, there's going to be a series of plastic retainers, what we simply just undid. Now we're going to go ahead and line this up. And we're going to squeeze it forward. Make sure it's fully seated. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.